2020 ASCH Educational Research Foundation Conference that's going to be held in Reno, Nevada on March 19th to 22nd, 2020. I'm going to be doing several presentations there. I'm going to be doing a keynote on evocation. And I'm going to make the point that I don't think hypnosis has anything to do with suggestions. So that's a pretty provocative premise, but I think I can support that premise in my presentation. So I hope you come along and find out what I have to say about all that. I'm also doing a couple of presentations called Metaphors Be With You, and it's on using stories in hypnosis for change. I've really been, I learned from Milton Erickson how to use stories in hypnotherapy, and I've been using that for the 40 years or so since I studied with him. I was his gardener while I was in graduate school because I couldn't afford to pay him. I was his work-study student, and he influenced me a great deal. I'd never told stories in therapy or in hypnosis before I studied with Dr. Erickson, and now I teach that all the time, and I use it quite a bit in my practice. So there's another special thing about this conference that sort of hooked me into coming, and that is I've decided in my later years to go back to an earlier passion I had, which was songwriting and performing. And so they've asked me to do a special concert on one of the nights of the conference. And so I've been writing songs for the last few years, and I've written 163 songs this last year, and I'll play some original stuff. And I'm looking forward to seeing all of you who are able to make it. And this will be my first keynote at an ASCH conference. I've spoken at some conferences before, but I'm very excited about being there.